Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to set new theme on chat on Facebook Messenger in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Messenger. After that we must go to our chat. After that, we need to click on nickname and here we click theme. Scroll down and for example, we can choose ocean. Click select and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.